Hello friends, I'm Abu from Brands IT Solution. Yes, we are going to discuss about Python in this session. So first, let's see what is Python. So it is a programming language. We have other programming language also. You guys already know that C, C++, Java, or some other languages, something like that. So in C also we have many versions like C sharp, in Java it is J sharp, so like that. Too many languages will be there for designing HTML, so like that. It is also a programming language, and it is open source. So open source means you guys, anybody can use it without any license, without paying a single money for this application, for this language. So it has an interpreter to convert our code to computer understandable language like binaries. So we will basically type in the alphabets or numbers, so like that, but the computer won't understand it. So computer will understand only binaries like zeros and ones. So the interpreter will help the Python to convert the code from alphabet or numbers to binaries. Then the computer will execute the program. After executing the program, the output will be shared again to the interpreter. Then again the interpreter will convert the code from binaries to human understandable language. So same like that we have uh, multiple, as I said, we have too many programming language. For that programming language also, they have their own compiler or interpreter to do the same job. So C or C++ is having compiler, this Java is having JVM. So this is an example for of other programming languages. Okay. Also this interpreter or compiler will help to compile the code. So it will do check the syntax error, something like that. Okay, right. So you guys know what is Python now. So then let's see why the Python is used globally nowadays. So when I'm starting my career, so on the day itself, I come to know there is a programming language called Python. So now I have been more than 15 plus years of experience, but till now everybody is in the Python usage is day by day getting high, not is going down. So for that there are two things will be. So one is easy to learn, another one is trending. So trending I already told with you. So I have been looking, I have been seeing this Python programming language for more than 15 years. It is getting trend day by day. So why it is trending? So for that the reason is easy to learn. Easy to learn. So let me explain how to easy to learn. For example, I want to print something on screen. Okay, I want to print something on screen. um, to print that will take any one of program, like will take Java. Okay, So for example, we'll take Java to print the code, to print some string. So if you want to write a Java code, you can see uh, we will do the I'm not good in the Java, so I'm just doing Google. You can see hello world program in Java. Okay, so I'm taking from some, okay, first Java program. It is from javapoint.com. So this is the code to print the hello Java. Okay, to print this to string, we need to write these many codes. Okay, these many codes we have. You can see I'm testing here. I'm running this. Now you can see only it is giving the output hello Java. For that I need to write these many lines program. But in the same time, if you want to write the program in Python, it is very simple. Right? This is the code in Python. Print in parenthesis double quotes hello world. That's it. So you can execute, it is giving the output simply. So now you can understand why we are telling the Python is easy to learn. Okay, so to add, to display one string on screen, I need to run multiple codes in Java, but in Python it has only one line. That's it. The same like that, other programming languages also I need to run more than one line, but in Python it is only one line is fine. Okay, so hope now you guys understand how much easy the Python is. Okay, so now I will show you how much it was trending. Okay, how much it was trending. I'm just googling it. In the Google you can type PYPL GitHub. The PYPL is right. PYPL Popularity of Programming Language Index. This is given by GitHub. This GitHub was created by Google. Now you can see the Python is on first rank. In the ranking sheet, you can see the Python is having first one. 29.39% it is used. Okay, for per year it is getting 1.2 percentage increased. Okay, so this like this, the Python is on first rank. So why? Because it is easy to learn. Okay, fine. So now you guys know how to, means why the Python is used globally, right? So now we'll see the history of Python. The Python is released on 1991. Okay, so now we are using Python 3.12.4 and it is released on June 2024. Okay, on from 1980, the guy called Guido van Rossum working on the Python coding, means developing the Python. So and he is saying that there will not be a new version of Python for next 4 years. So the Python 3.12.4 is released on 2024, which means it will take another 4 years, maybe Exactly, the Python 3 is created on um 2023. Some other, I don't remember the year exactly for Python 3. Okay, so Python 3.12.4 is released on 2024, which means we have Python 3.1. So that 3.1 is released might be 2023 or 2024. So something like that. So from that time, the guy is telling that Razom is telling that there will not be a new version of Python for next 4 years. So it might take some time also. Means if they are, it is a, it is not a perfect or exact calculation. So they are just giving some assumption. They are assuming like that they will create new version after 4 year, but it might take some time also, more than 4 year also, right? The Python is case sensitive. Then the Python is case sensitive. So we need to be careful while we are using the characters while using the Python. And another thing is there will not be any forward or backward compatibility on Python. So which means, for example, I have created the code using the Python 2. So the code will not work on Python 1 or Python version 3. It will only work on Python 2 only. So like that, it will not have the forward or backward compatibility. Now we are using Python 3 version. In future, we might get Python 4 version. On the time, we will not, means we are not allowed to use the code which is created in the Python 3 in the Python 4. Okay, and then it has some set of reserved words. So these reserved words are available in other programming languages also. So for that, those words are not used in, means used as a function or variables or any other identifiers in Python. But I don't know about the other programming language, so we might test it. I will test those. I will try to test these words in other programming language as function or variables. Let's see how it is working, and I will tell you in the next session. Okay, the those words are I have given in the screen. In the example, you can see false and is return, else if, while, elif, import, so def. So something like this, we have too many words which is reserved in the Python, which will not be used in the function or variables or any other identifiers. Okay, fine. So in this session, we come to know what is Python and why the Python is used globally, and then history of Python. Okay guys, let's see in the next session how to install the Python, and after that everything will be the practical session. We'll do some programming also using the Python. Okay, thank you.